Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the text size and display size in this device. For this, go to settings. Then now you can see this is the display size and text size in this device. So let me show you how to change this one. For this, go to set display. Then here you can see the option display size and text. Tap on this one. So here you can see you can change the font size and the display size. If you want to increase the font size, then you can tap on the plus button. You can see the font size is increasing, right? This is the maximum text size. If you want to decrease, then you can decrease. You can see. Okay, if you want to increase the display size, tap on the plus button. You can see this is the maximum display size in this device. You can see it's very bigger. I'm going to decrease this one. Okay, so if you want to use any bold text, just tap on the option bold, turn on this one. Now you can see bold text, you can see here, right? So simply in this way you can change the display size and the font size in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.